Hey Vancouver Island!
Welcome back to your summer update number 3. Here's what we have in the event forecast. We are going with gravity this weekend, and I don't just mean Newton's Law. Mount Washington and Gravity MTB have teamed up for another epic weekend for the women of mountain biking. This weekend, July 17th and 18th, join an incredible team of ladies for an all-inclusive experience that includes breakfast, après, and of course some biking too. There are only a few spots left for this awesome opportunity, so head to the link in our events page and sign up now. Like, right now.
Starting July 19th, running to the 23rd, we have our first Learn to Ride week of the summer. This is where you guys can come up and get some basic skills down, learn in our skills park, and start on Green Line. The Learn to Ride week offers 50% off a 2-hour bike rental, a lift ticket, and a 2-hour lesson. So it's a screaming deal. Your Learn to Ride week will help you gain the knowledge to get in the full park and feel confident before you get on the big trails. Please note, we do encourage pre-booking, but walk-ins are welcome as well. Lesson availability includes Monday to Friday at 12 p.m., 2:30 p.m., and 5:30 p.m. on Thursdays and Fridays. Once you have completed the Learn to Ride, participants will receive an additional 20% off discount for step-up lessons, which is the next step in your learning career to the bike park. You can learn more about that on our events page. On July 25th, we are hosting our first downhill race of the season. Everyone is welcome no matter what your skill set. We've got beginner, intermediate, and expert level categories. Come out, win some prizes. Lots of great door prizes and bib draws, so it's really not about getting on the podium, it's just coming and seeing how much free swag you can collect. Don't forget, we have reoccurring events all summer long, Fridays and Sundays. Fridays, bring your family for some deep discounts on scenic access and bike park access. We've got $5 tickets for kids, $10 tickets for youth, and $15 for adults that are accompanying children on the bike park and the scenic access. So come up and enjoy deep discounts on Friday evenings from 5:30 to 7:30. Same with Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day, we're offering a half-price ticket, 2 for 1, in the bike park, and that's between 5:30 to 7:30. Come up with your friends. That's enough out of me. I'm gonna hand you over to our trail crew to give us an update on how the trails are running.
Hey everybody, my name's Ben. I'm the trail crew supervisor here at Mount Washington. So our most recently open trails are the Call It In, Riptide Ridge, and Upper Helter Skelter. And we've also opened up Lower Time Warp recently for maximum shredding. So stay safe and enjoy riding out there, guys.
Stay up to date on our socials on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll see you next time. Get out there and enjoy the summer fun.